Hi students, good morning. In this session, we are going to see 7th standard mathematics, chapter 16, perimeter and area, topic area of rectangular pathways, exercise 16.3. First, we should know the definition of area of rectangular pathways. A rectangular path is the region enclosed between two rectangles drawn one inside the other. Its area is the difference of the areas of the two rectangles. Look at the picture. Here given one example. First given one outer rectangle and also given one inner rectangle. Then given rectangular pathway. What is rectangular pathway? The distance between the two rectangles. Let's know the formulas. First one, area of the rectangular pathway, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Then second formula, area of square, which gives a squared square units. Then area of rectangle, which gives L into B square units. Let's see, path inside a rectangular shape. When a rectangle is drawn inside a given rectangle, a path is formed. A width of the path is half of the difference of the length or breadth of the two rectangles. Look at the picture. Here given one example. Here first given one rectangle ABCD, that length 40 meter, breadth 18 meter, and also given another one rectangle. This one inside to other, that name PQRS, and also given path 4 side 3-meter wide. This one example of path inside a rectangular shape. Now we shall learn path outside a rectangular shape. A path outside a rectangular shape is formed when a rectangle is drawn outside the given rectangle. Hence the area of the path formed is the region enclosed between these two rectangles. Look at the picture. The first rectangle ABCD, outer rectangle, and also given another one rectangle PQRS. This one inside to other. Inside rectangle length 85 meter, breadth 70 meter, and also given path 3 meter wide. This one example of path outside a rectangular shape. Let's see path crossing each other. Pathways can also run through the center of the rectangular shape mutually perpendicular to each other. They are called cross path and they divide the rest of the area into 4 rectangles. Look at the picture. First rectangle ABCD, length 75 meter, breadth 55 meter. Another rectangle EFGH. Third rectangle IJKL, and also one PQRS, and also given path 5 meter wide. This one example of path crossing each other. Let's see example problem. Example 13. A path 2 meter wide is built inside along the boundary of a rectangular garden with length 20 meter and breadth 35 meter. Find the area of the path. Let us find the solution. First, draw one rectangle ABCD, that length 35 meter, breadth 20 meter, and also draw inside rectangle PQRS and mention the path 2 meter wide, 4 side. Let ABCD represent the garden. The shaded portion is the area of the 2 meter wide path. What is path? Path means difference between the two rectangles. Let's find inside rectangle length and breadth. inside length PQ, therefore PQ equal to outside rectangle length 35 meter, path wide 2 meter, opposite side also 2 meter. So we take PQ equal to 35 minus 2 meter. 35 minus 2, 33. 33 minus 2, 31 meter. Inside rectangle length 31 meter. Then find inside rectangle breadth. Outside breadth 20 meter. Path wide 2 meter. And also take opposite side 2 meter. Therefore, QR equal to 20 minus 2 meter. 20 minus 2, 18. 18 minus 2, 16 meter. This one inside rectangle breadth. Then find area of the outer rectangle. Area of the rectangle formula L into B square units. Area of the outer rectangle ABCD is equal to length 35 meter multiple with breadth 20 meter. It gives 700 meter square. Then find area of the inner rectangle PQRS. Already we have to find length and breadth. So we have to substitute and find out the answer. Area of the rectangle formula L into B square units. Length 31 meter, breadth 16 meter. 31 into 16, 496 meter square. Finally, we have to find area of the path. Area of the path formula area of the outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Area of the path equal to area of the rectangle ABCD minus area of the rectangle PQRS. ABCD means outer rectangle, PQRS means inner rectangle. So we have to substitute the value. It gives 700 meter square minus 496 meter square. We have to subtract. We get 204 meter square. Therefore, the area of the path is 204 meter square. Let's see example 14. A park 95 meter long and 80 meter wide has the path 5 meter wide running outside and all around it. Find the area of the path and that of the park. Let us find the solution. First we have to draw park. Park means inside rectangle PQRS. Length 95 meter, breadth 80 meter. Has path 5 meter wide running outside and all around it. So we have to draw outer rectangle ABCD and also mark path 5 meter wide. Let PQRS represent the garden. The shaded portion is the area of the 5 meter wide path. Let us find the path. Let's find outer rectangle length and breadth. Here given the inner rectangle length 95 meter. Therefore, outer rectangle AB equal to length 95 plus path wide 5 meter plus 5 and also take opposite side also plus 5 meter. 95 plus 5 100, 100 plus 5 105 meter. We get 105 meter. This one outer rectangle length. Then find outer rectangle breadth. Therefore, BC equal to inner rectangle breadth 80 meter. So 80 plus path wide 5 meter plus 5 plus 5 meter. We have to add 80 plus 5, 85, 80 plus 5, 90 meter. We get the outer rectangle breadth 90 meter. Then find area of the outer rectangle ABCD. Area of the rectangle formula L into B square units. Now we have to substitute length 105 meter, breadth 90 meter. 105 into 90 meter we get 9450 meter square. Then find area of the inner rectangle PQRS. Length 95 meter multiple breadth 80 meter, 95 meter into 80 meter, we get 7600 meter square. Find the area of the path. Area of the path formula, area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Area of the outer rectangle means ABCD. Area of the inner rectangle means PQRS. We get area of the path equal to area of the rectangle ABCD minus area of the rectangle PQRS. Now we have to substitute area of the rectangle ABCD 9450 meters squared minus area of the rectangle PQRS 7600 meters squared. We have to subtract. We get 1850 meters squared. Finally, we have to find the area of the park is 7600 meters squared. Area of the park means area of the inner rectangle PQRS, that value. Then second, area of the path is 1850 meters square. Let's see exercise 16.3. First Roman, solve the following. If three smaller squares, each of area 2.5 cm squared, are cut out from a rectangular cardboard of area 40 cm square, find the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. First, we should know the meaning of question. The rectangular cardboard of area 40 cm square. We have to cut three smaller square, each area 2.5 cm square. Now we have to find area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. Area of the one square, which gives 2.5 cm square. Area of the 3 square, that means multiple with 3 into 2.5 cm square, we get 7.5 cm square. Area of the 3 square, which gives 7.5 cm square. Here given area of the rectangle cardboard 40 cm square. Now we have to find area of the remaining piece of the cardboard is equal to area of the rectangle cardboard minus area of the 3 square. Area of the rectangle cardboard 40 cm square. Area of the 3 square 7.5 cm square. We get 40 cm squared minus 7.5 cm square. Subtract the values. We get the value 32.5 cm squared. That means area of the remaining piece of cardboard is equal to 32.5 cm squared. Let's see second problem. If a square of side 1.5 meter is cut out from a square plastic sheet of side 3 meter, find the area of the remaining sheet. Here given square plastic sheet, side 3 meter. I have to cut one square side 1.5 meter. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Let us find the solution. Here given one square plastic sheet, side 3 meter, and cut one square side 1.5 meter. Let us find the solution. Side of outer square A 3 meter. So now find the area of the remaining sheet. Area of the square formula A squared square units. Now we have to find area of the outer square. Area of the outer square equal to A squared square units. Side 3 meter. So substitute the values. A squared means 3 meter into 3 meter. 3 3 is a 9 meter square. Area of the outer square 9 meter square. Side of inner square A 1.5 meter. Area of inner square equal to A squared square units. A squared means we have to write 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter. Now we have to multiple. We get 2.25 meter square. Area of the inner square equal to 2.25 meter square. Then find area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet equal to area of outer square minus area of inner square. Area of outer square 9 meter square. Area of inner square 2.25 meter square. We get 9 meter squared minus 2.25 meter square. Now we have to subtract. We get the answer 6.75 meter square. Therefore, the area of the remaining sheet 6.75 meter square. Let's see third problem. A pathway covering 84 meters squared is made inside a garden. The dimension 13 meter into 12 meter. What is the area of the lawn that can be laid inside the garden? Let us find the solution. A pathway covering 84 meters squared is made inside a garden with dimension 13 meter into 12 meter. That means outside garden length and breadth given. So draw outside rectangle length 13 meter, breadth 12 meter, and also draw inside rectangle, that means lawn that can be laid inside a garden, and also given the pathway covering 84 meters square. So mark the pathway 84 meters square. Then find area of the lawn. Area of the pathway 84 meters square. Length of the garden L 13 meter. Breadth of the garden B 12 meter. Let's find area of the outer rectangle. That means garden. Area of the rectangle formula L into B square units. Area of outer rectangle, that means garden, L into B equal to 13 meter into 12 meter. We have to multiple 13 meter and 12 meter, we get 156 meter square. This one area of the garden 156 meter square. Then we have to find area of the lawn inside the garden equal to area of the garden minus area of the pathway. Area of the garden, outer garden 156 meter square. Area of the pathway 84 meter square. We have to substitute equal to 156 meter square minus 84 meter square. Now we have to subtract. We get 72 meter square. Therefore, area of the lawn inside the garden equal to 72 meter square. Let's see fourth problem. A rectangular garden is 70 meter long and 55 meter broad. A path 3 meter wide is to be built around it. Find the area of the path and cost of traveling it at a rate of rupees 17 per meter square. First we should know the question meaning. A rectangle garden 70 meter long and 55 meter broad. A path 3 meter wide is to be built around it. So first we have to draw inner rectangle PQRS, length 70 meter, breadth 55 meter. Then a path 3 meter wide is to be built around it. Then draw outer rectangle ABCD and mark path 3 meter wide. Let PQRS represent the garden. The shaded portion is the area of the 3 meter wide path. Let's find outside rectangle length, that means outside garden length. Therefore AB equal to inside garden length 70 meter, path wide 3 meter. Therefore AB equal to 70 plus 3 meter, we get 76 meter. This one outside rectangle length. Then find outside rectangle breadth, that means garden breadth. Therefore BC equal to inside garden breadth 55 meter, path wide 3 meter. Therefore BC equal to 55 plus 3 meter. Now we have to add 55 plus 3, 58, 58 plus 3, 61 meter. Then find the area of the outer rectangle ABCD. So now we have to substitute 76 meter into 61 meter. We have to multiple. We get 4636 meter square. Then find area of the inner rectangle PQRS. That means inner garden 70 meter into 55 meter. We have to multiple 70 meter multiple with 55 meter. We get 3850 meter square. Then find area of the path. Area of the path. Area of the rectangle ABCD. That means outer garden minus area of the rectangle PQRs. This is inner garden. Now we have to substitute the values. Equal to 4636 meter square minus 3850 meter square. Subtract the values, we get 786 meter square. Therefore area of the path equal to 786 meters square. Then find the cost of traveling at a rate of rupees 17 per meter square. The pathway 786 meters square. The cost of traveling 1 meter square equal to rupees 17. The cost of traveling 786 meters square means we get rupees 17 into 786. We have to multiply. We get rupees 13,362 rupees. The cost of traveling the path is rupees 13,362. Thank you, students.